Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda Civic, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2015 Honda Civic, the 1.8. So right now I'm doing the transmission oil change. Before I break loose the transmission drain bolt, I take out the I break loose the fill bolt right there. That's in the front. That's a 17 millimeter. And now I'm gonna break loose my transmission drain bolt. There you go. That's my 3/8. Just shove your 3/8 in there. Trying not to make a mess. This thing is gonna spray everywhere. I did this when it's the car is kind of warm. I let it sit, but kind of warm. So, good thing I have a mat. Ooh, it's gonna be a cleanup. Not good, not good. For the drain bolt, I bought the washer from O'Reilly, and they gave me a wrong one. Doesn't fit. I'm gonna have to use my old one again. I asked for a transmission drain bolt washer. They gave me a engine. God damn it, O'Reilly. After you take out the drain bolt, you can see there's a little bit of metal shaving. Not as much. I've seen worse, but that's good. Just wipe it, and then if you have the new washer, you can use the new washer. I'm gonna have to use the old one again. I'm gonna retighten the drain bolt. So this is tight. You just need to snug it a little bit. There you go. That's it. Wipe the spot. For my transmission oil cap, you can see it's right there, right where the battery is, right down there where I'm shining the light. I'm gonna take out the cap. There you go. That's gonna be your fill hole. For this vehicle, for the drain and refill, it takes 3.5 to 3.7. So I'm gonna put in 3.5, and then I'm gonna start the car, put in every single gear for 3 seconds, and then I'm gonna come out and check on the fill bolt, which is the 17 millimeter. So right now I'm gonna put in 3.5, and then I'm gonna check it. I put in 3.5 already. This one's down to 1.5. This one's a 5 quart, 1 gallon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cap the transmission, and then I'm gonna start the car, put it in gear, and then I'm gonna go out, check on the transmission fill bolt. I'm gonna start the car, and I'm gonna put it in gear. I'm gonna start the engine and put it in gear. Each gear, wait for 3 seconds. There you go. So I'm gonna put in gear, reverse, 1, 2, 3, neutral, 1, 2, 3, drive, 1, 2, 3, S, 1, 2, 3, L, 1, 2, 3, wait a little bit, wait a little bit, wait a little bit. And when you're doing this, when you are refilling it, make sure the car is level, so that way you know the exact fluid to refill back. So I'm gonna check the fill bolt now. I'm gonna take it out. Make sure you see fluid coming out. If it's coming out, it's full. If not, you have to refill it till it comes back out. Not yet. I'm gonna fill it up some more. Now that is gonna be your fill hole. I'm gonna fill in some more transmission fluid till you see the fluid comes out of the fill hole. It should be enough. You can see the fluid start coming out already, so that's enough. That's it. You can see the fluid is full. I'm gonna put back the fill bolt. I'm gonna tighten it down, and that's it. Alright guys, I double checked everything. The fill bolt, drain bolt, I capped the transmission cap. So this tranny, the fluid, it takes about 3.7 quarts, and you need to do transmission every 20,000 miles or 25,000 miles at the latest. But that is it for this video, guys. So you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Lil' I'm out. Peace.